Hey, good morning everybody. Happy March 2nd, Friday. Welcome to Burlington, Winter Wonderland. Wet, slimy, wet, slushy, snowy goodness. It's horrible out here right now. Roads are all are wet. Kind of feels like a freezing rain kind of snow, if that makes any sense. Like it doesn't even feel like snow, it feels like rain. But as you see, the roads behind me look like crap. Everything's all crap right now. It's cold. Says the temperature is supposed to go a little bit milder, so this is just gonna melt. But we shall see. We shall see. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are having a great morning and having a great day. Excuse me. I'm in for a busy day today. I'm until 3 o'clock today. So, should be fun. A lot of work to do today. I have a lot of work to do. Alright, so I just crossed the road and I'm heading into going to the bus stop. So when I get to the bus stop, I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Alright, so I just finished my coffee and tried to roll my rim here. Tim Hortons roll up the rim to win. For some reason it's not working. I only have one hand. Please play again. Bum, bum, bum. No winner today. That is okay. Total big mistake here. So the group starts at 8:30, but they want their breakfast at 7 o'clock. So I assume that everything was at 8:30 today. So yeah, kind of behind right now because I'm trying to rush to get everything done. I've got coffee going. I've got fruit salad made. The muffins are already done. Danishes are in the oven. Look at me, I'm already sweating here. It's nuts. Yeah, gonna get it done and get it to the customer before 7 o'clock. That's my plan. Alright, I'll see you guys soon.
It's already low enough.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I've got Abigail and Emily and Mommy in the car. I literally just finished work. Had to go pick up the kids. Picked them up at the front doors. And it's Friday. Today was crazy at work. Doing some
Mommy and Daddy couldn't make it that way. So I took a path. What path? I took a short way.
What short way? What? I don't know what you're talking about.
I took a short way to come to the car.
Oh.
The way where the school door is.
But yeah, today was crazy at work. Big group today. That was like over almost 100 people. And
Just wait.
3 services I did today. And then organizing the table and chairs room, and then dishes and stuff. So yeah, it was just a little bit crazy today, but we got everything done and trying to get everything done out of the way. Yes.
You know what I told Miss Gimple when I went to the RBG? I saw you work.
Yeah.
And then I told her about what you do there.
Mm-hmm.
You serve breakfast, and I told Miss Gimple your boss was named Jenny, and I said she was super nice. Now she knows.
Today I was doing porter, I wasn't doing breakfast today. But yes, I do breakfast most of the time, so.
Can we put outside for a little bit at home?
I'm not even dressed, Abigail. I have to get my.
You don't have to be specially dressed just to stand there.
Need to get out of my work clothes. But yeah, now that we're pulling into our driveway, I want to shut you guys off because I'm going to turn you guys off right now. I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hi guys. Hope you guys like my glasses. I hope they're okay. And I hope you guys can see me.
Hey, I'm just having some fun on Snapchat. I jump home now, and today has just been so crazy. Don't even know really why it's been so crazy today. But the sun is shining, and it's Friday.
When you get home and you've had such a horrible, busy day, and all you want to do is have a beer, and you can't even have a beer because you don't even have any beer, this is the face you get when you don't even have any beer on a Friday. Why? Why don't I have any beer for a Friday? What the heck? At least the sun is shining, but I wish I had a beer. I wish I had beer.
I hope you guys are all having a great day. How you guys like this? I look like a billy goat. I just want to have some fun this weekend. That's all I really want. I hope you guys can understand that. Let me know. You guys need to have a good weekend.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Hope you guys like that Snapchat stuff I was doing. Just having some fun with it. I don't know. How many of you guys in the comments below, leave me a comment. How many of you guys still listen to records at all? I'm currently listening to one right now. I have one playing in my ears. But in the comments below, let me know how many of you guys listen to records. Because I am playing one right now. Where did I put it? Here we go. It's Friday. Just got home from work. Sun is shining. And the headphones go with the record that I'm listening to. So if you guys remember what these headphones are, leave me a comment below. But for those that don't know, they are Marley headphones. And right now, I'm listening Bob Marley, the Best of Legend, The Wailers, 30th anniversary. And what makes this record so special to me, it's a double LP. And it's colored. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like right now while it's spinning on my my turntable. All right, give me 1 second to put this back on the shelf. And you guys are going to freak when you see this. This is the coolest record ever. So obviously if you guys look at that, it's red, yellow, and green. So it's colored. Is that not the coolest record ever? Rastafarian colored LP. By far one of the coolest albums ever. Just letting it spin there. Isn't that like coolest though? This was like the first record I ever bought from when I worked at my old job. So that's just one of the ones I've got. This one here is one of my favorites as well. I don't know if you guys just could see. So it's the Steve Miller Band Greatest Hits from 1974 to 78. It's got a lot of classic stuff on there. And then I've got, I don't know if you guys will see that, the Strumbellas, Hope. This is the one with Spirits on it. One of my favorite songs as well. And I've also got I had to get this one as well. Any music lover has to have this album. So this is the greatest hits of Beatles, once it's really hard to show. So this is the Blue Album. This is 1967 to 1970. So, Beatles, Blue Album, awesome album. Really expensive, too. This was like $40, so definitely another one that I've got here that's really, really nice as well. This was a deluxe edition. Came out not that long ago. This is Oasis, What's the Story, Morning Glory. And oh, I don't know. But yeah, these are some of the records that I do have. So, What's the Story, Morning Glory. I'll probably play that one later. But I do have a fair share of I've got jazz, I've got classic, I've got country. I'm a big Zac Brown, Sturgill Simpson fan. I've got some of his stuff. But I'm also a rap fan as well. Not a lot of people know that. One of my favorite artists is Dr. Dre. Dr. Dre, The Chronic. Picked that up on, I got that. And then I got, obviously that one's not kid friendly. And then I got Dr. Dre 2001. That one's hard to see, but. So, like I said, I'm a huge music lover. I love my music. And I love collecting LPs. I got a lot of like classics here. I've got Rush, Boston, Stevie Wonder, Stevie Ray Vaughan. So, just thought I'd share some of my records with you. But yeah. Oh, one other one I've got here that I picked this up just after he passed away. And everyone's got to have a little bit of MJ in their house. So that's Michael Jackson, Bad. So, great album as well. So, 1987. So, definitely a huge record person. I love my music. So, all right. Well, I'm going to keep on rocking this out. And I'm going to shut you guys off for a bit. Chill out. And yeah, we'll come back to you guys in a little while. Happy kitty. Are you happy, Peppermint? Are you happy? Look at you being so happy. Are you going to say hi? Meow, meow. No, but you're going to go to sleep now, aren't you? Yeah, that's just the kids in the background. That's just the girls, right? You're like, girls, I'm trying to sleep here. Please be quiet and let me sleep. Oh, Peppers. Oh, Peppermint. You're so cute. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hope you guys got to enjoy it. Showed you my record collection. Showed you some of the Snapchat features that I have that I was playing around with today. You guys got to see cute Peppermint, who's still sleeping on the floor, by the way. The girls are coloring in some coloring books, doing some projects. I'm about to get dinner on. I've been playing some Bob Marley. I played some Oasis earlier. Just finished Oasis. I was playing Bob Marley, then Oasis. So, just having some good Friday after work chill session here. Just for a bit, you know. It's just good to put the headphones on, just zone out to the music, and just let your, just get yourself ready for the weekend, because it's supposed to be nice out. Like, the snow's already, like, the snow that we got, is most of it's already melted, so. But yeah, it's going to be a good weekend. Hopefully we'll be able to do some stuff. We'll probably go live sometime. Probably go live today, tomorrow. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys subscribe if you're new. Leave me a comment. I hope you guys left some comments already. if you couldn't remember what the headphones are that I got, if you guys are a record person or an LP, if you want to call them LPs or records, vinyl, whatever. Hope you guys left me some comments and leave me some comments down below. All right. Just thought I'd let you guys know as well. If you guys like my channel, you guys feel like kicking in $1 or $2, all the money that I get from my Patreon goes back into the channel. It goes to us. We get to go and do stuff as a family. You don't have to do it. It's fine. But if you really like the channel and you want to see it grow and support, I appreciate it. I also have the merchandise store. The Spreadshirt link is down below. I've put it in almost all my videos now, so definitely click the link if you want to buy a shirt. I've got one t-shirt right now. I've got one design, and then I've got t-shirts. I've got sweaters, V-neck, travel mugs, coffee mugs, phone holder, phone cases, pillowcases, apron for barbecue. I've got a whole bunch of stuff, so definitely check it out. Get a t-shirt if you want to support my channel. And yeah, that's all I really gotta say. I appreciate all you guys' support. You guys have been amazing, leaving me comments, likes, and supporting each other, and I much appreciate it. So thank you so very much. I will see you guys later. Have a good day and a good night, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.